Welcome, I'm Annie, and today I wanted to talk to you about how I plan marine biology. Some homeschool programs can be very expensive, and it's confusing picking out which ones you want to use. There is so much out there. It's insane. My son wanted to study marine biology. There's just so many options, and we did try one that we didn't like at all. It was through, I don't know if I should even say, but in case you're gonna try it, it was through schoolhouseteachers.com, and we didn't like it. Let's just say that. So I looked for different options of what we could do. And I decided to just go simple and create curriculum myself. This is what I got. I read the reviews on this and looked at pictures online of the interior of this book. And I decided that this would be a very useful tool for us to study marine biology. It is a visual encyclopedia, so it's filled with pictures and little diagrams, and it's a really cool book. And I'm so glad that I got this book, because when we're doing marine biology, my son will actually say to me, I really like this book. And that means a lot. I want him to like what we're studying. I want him to be interested in it. And this is a fantastic tool. I'll show you a few of the pages. Colorful. It describes things just enough in depth to get the point across and to teach what actually needs to be learned instead of all of the fluff. Another one, and let's move on to so much. It has sections for so many things, and it teaches wind currents, volcanic eruptions in the ocean floor, and the way the ocean is changing every year. It really teaches a lot. There is a lot in this book. So the way I go about this, I will sit down and go over the sections. So for instance, there is Atlas of the Oceans, and all of these are green. And then it's Blue Planet, and all of these are blue, and so on and so forth. And you can look here. You can see the different colors here for each different section. So I will read the sections, and then I will take notes. I'll even draw the diagrams. I will write page numbers and then important points that I think we need to write down. Then I will sit with my son and we will read the book together. He will read some, I will read some to him, and then we will stop on each page and take the notes for that page that I think are important for him to take. I'll just flip through just a few to show you. See, and then he takes his notes. Simple little notes. After this, I make a quiz in Google Classroom. It's tedious, it takes time, but it'll grade those tests for you. And he can go online and take the test. It shows you what he's made, what he's got right, what he's got wrong, and voila. Plus, I think it's fun to do that stuff because I'm just, let's face it, I'm just a nerd. So I enjoy putting the test together and putting the curriculum together. But before each test, I will review his notes with him and let him read over them several times, and then he can take his quiz. But he doesn't really need a lot of brushing up on it because he does find this interesting, which is fantastic. If you're thinking making curriculum is way too complicated, please don't think that. It is very easy to do, and I promise you can do it. You don't have to use Google Classroom. You don't have to go set all of that up. You can do it on a plain sheet of paper. That's fine. It doesn't matter how you do it. This is just a little bit of a guide to show you how I went about making curriculum for marine biology for my son. I hope that this video was helpful and that you got something out of it. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will answer to the best of my ability. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. It would really help out. And I really appreciate each and every single one of you that are watching and visiting this channel. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye, guys.